We're going to read a story called The Crow and the Pitcher. So, if you do a quick picture walk, you can see that this clearly is not a real crow. It's drawn. So, this is probably a fictional story. If we take a quick picture walk, we notice that he's flying around. He sees this thing. There's a label. It's called a pitcher. A pitcher is a container that you could fill up with water. On the next page, ooh, he gets his beak stuck inside of that pitcher. That can't be good. But over here on page 7, he's got his beak out of the pitcher, so he solved that little problem. But he just can't figure out how to get to the water, can he? Over here, he thinks he might peck this with his beak, but that looks like it could probably hurt. Over here, I can tell he's kind of thinking. He's got his little hand on his beak, and he's like, And I see these arrows are pointing at this pile of stones. I'm not sure what he's thinking right now. I see him drop a stone into this pitcher. And over here, he's dropped quite a few stones into this pitcher. Wonder why he's doing that. And on this page, wow, look how high up the water is now. The bottom part's filled with stones, but now the water's clear up here. Oh, and look, he can get his little beak in there, or his bill, and he can get water. Oh, look, he looks very happy now, which he probably is because looked like he was in this first picture really thirsty. That's what my dog looks like when he's really thirsty. Page 4. By the way, the author is Rowan Oback, so he wrote the story. And the illustrator is Peter Grosshauser, so he drew the pictures. Page 4. Crow glides through the hills. He has not had water in a long time. He must have water. We all need water, right? Page 5. Then Crow spots a pitcher and dives down to check. It has a bit of water inside. So if you look at this picture, you can see the water level right there. The top of this pitcher is not wide. It's very narrow. Crow can stick his bill in, but he can't get the water, right? The water's too far down. Page 7. Crow strikes the pitcher to make it tip over. He swipes at it and tugs it, but he cannot get it to tip on its side. It is too big. Crow stops to think. Can he bite the pitcher and crack it? He bites with his bill. The pitcher is too strong. It will not crack. Crow does not quit. He must get a drink. After a while, he spots some stones. Okay, remember, here's the water level. Crow can carry a stone in his bill. He brings the stone to the pitcher and drops it in. Crow gets one more stone and drops it in. Then he gets one more. Time after time, Crow drops in stones. And I can see that water level's going up a little bit. Before long, the water in the pitcher rises. It rises up and up. Crow stops and admires his trick. At last, he can put his bill in the pitcher and get a big drink. The water gives him a good feeling. He smiles. Crow glides away in the sunshine. He has gotten a fine lesson in life. Little by little does the trick.